Thank you. Got a nice storm going on, heading my way. Let's get closer. I've been waiting. It's flooded. Come on, I want to see some lightning bolts. Supposedly there's a tornado watch. Let's hope that stays north. I'm south. We're only supposed to get the tip of it. I'd say we're getting quite a bit of it. Thank God for girls who can dig trenches and pay for it for weeks later. Oh well. All the gardens are blooming so soon. The tree is hanging so low I had to sit on my butt to record this on the floor. Come on, Mother Nature. Give me one more. Please. Please. That's ominous. Right there. Come on. A little bit. They say it's moving really fast. It's not gonna linger. I think that was it. Saturday in the sanctuary with a storm. Storm lover here.